RealAgriculture.com's coverage of Farm Progress 2013 is brought to you by Syngenta Canada, bringing plant potential to life.
My name is Jeremy Hughes, and I work as sales manager for Horsh Anderson. We're a South Dakota-based company with a German parent company being Horsch. And today we're showing off our new independent depth control machine called the Sprinter. This one right here is actually the demo version that we had this year, basically demo slash pre-production. And on the machine, we've seen the independent depth control technology really growing here in Western Canada over the past few years, but have seen a lot of complications with the technology as far as it not being very simple. With the Sprinter, we're not going in and using individual cylinders on every shank. What we're doing here is we've got actually 2 cylinders per wing that connect to a connecting bar that roll a rock shaft to engage the openers into the ground. And on each opener we have a torsion bar that rolls with that rock shaft that'll help hold the openers in the ground but still have the independent characteristics that you would need for terrain falling when you're planting, say, like canola or lentils. So this machine right here is a 64 foot, it's 12-inch spacing, and typical independent depth control machines would use 64 cylinders for this this type of a setup. On this one we're only using 10. With that, our response time is a lot better in the field when it comes to rolling over variable terrain. We don't have to wait for the hydraulics to engage with the torsion. You have automatic reset back down if you trip over a rock or go over uneven ground. Maintenance on the machine is very simple. All of our bearings for the packer wheels are all oil filled. We're using a bander system up front. All of those bearings are oil filled as well. Maintenance on the machine is very minimal. At the end of the day, it's a very slick, very nice machine to run. Very high capacity air system. We're using 5.5-inch hoses off of our 1,000 bushel cart. 2 5.5-inch feed the seed or the opener stream. Then we've got 2 5.5 that feed the fertilizer stream for the banders. Off of the towers, we have 1.25-inch hoses that come down, which are the largest in the industry. With the shanks, very simple design. We do have a variety of openers and a variety of packer tires that we have. The ones that we're showing here today are the V-style with the real narrow tip. If a guy does want to use a wider tip opener, we do have a wider, rounder style packer that we can use for that.